The next thing we're going to talk about is demo video tabs. So Jamie, you're going to step and pick a product. Let's look at the Epiphan Pearl because that's what's on my screen. But we now have added a tab on every product page that includes demo videos, tutorials, webinars, news updates, and more. So I'm going to let Jamie drive now. She's on the Epiphan page, and she's going to show you where that is. Hold up, Jamie, because here you go. So you take over.
So here's the Epiphan Pearl mini page. If you go down and you go to demo videos, you see we have a bunch of videos. Some are our own webinars, some from Epiphan themselves. And we have all these videos. You can just click one and it plays right here.
This is just tremendous. I don't think there's a website on the planet that has more better videos because we're curating the videos we put on this page, correct? This is not randomly filling. So we're picking the best videos that we think are going to help you the most on your buying decision to understand about the products. There's a lot of sub clips from bigger webinars, which always at the end of the video, it'll tell you if you want to, you can see the full webinar that this came out of. So let's say we did a webinar on worship and we featured the Pearl Mini. We'll have the segment in there from it, but you can see that whole big video too on our website. So